Did you know a physicist proved that your consciousness can literally change the past? In 1978, John Wheeler designed an experiment that shattered everything we thought we knew about reality. He sent a single photon on a journey through space, then made a choice about how to observe it after it had already completed its path. The shocking result? The photon behaved differently in the past based on his future decision. When he chose to measure it as a wave, it traveled as a wave. When he chose to measure it as a particle, it had traveled as a particle. The photon somehow knew what choice he would make before he made it. Wheeler realized something profound. Consciousness doesn't just observe reality, it actively creates it. Ancient mystics taught this for thousands of years. Your awareness shapes your world. Modern physics finally caught up to ancient wisdom. Every moment you choose how to observe your life, you're literally creating your reality. Your consciousness is more powerful than you ever imagined.